Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make donuts very easy. Start by mixing flour, sugar, baking powder, salt, and milk into a smooth batter, then let it rest briefly before shaping. Heat oil to 350 degrees F and fry donuts until golden, about 90 seconds per side, turning once. Drain on paper towels, toss in sugar or glaze, and enjoy warm with coffee or tea. Serve with jam, chocolate, or cinnamon for This ingredient list keeps things simple so you can focus on technique and timing. Measure accurately for consistent results, especially flour and leavening. Choose full-fat milk and a room-temperature egg for richer texture. Avoid overmixing to prevent toughness. If you prefer, substitute buttermilk for tang and extra lift, or add vanilla and citrus zest for flavor. Trust the simple steps and taste as you go. This step is where donuts turn into the treats you remember from childhood. Roll to 3/8 inch thickness so they cook evenly, and cut shapes cleanly for neat edges. Heat oil to 350 degrees F and fry in small batches, keeping a steady temperature with a thermometer. Turn once for even color, then drain briefly to remove excess oil. Finish with sugar, glaze, or a dusting of cinnamon. Serve warm for best texture and flavor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.